In this tutorial, we will see how to georeference a raster using Freehand Raster Georeferencer. First, go to Plugins and then Manage and Install Plugins. Here, search for Freehand and you will find Freehand Raster Georeferencer. Install the plugin. After installation, you will see the toolbar. Now, if we add one raster, this one is Australia flag map. If we bring it to our map, we can see that this file is not georeferenced. So we can see a question mark here. Also, the map is not correctly aligned to the world map. Let's remove it. And click this add raster button and then browse your file. Click add new. Now we can easily move, rotate and resize the map. To move, click this move raster and move it. And to rotate, you can click this and rotate. And to scale, click this scale button and scale it. But it will be easier if you zoom into your area of interest and then add the raster. Let's remove it and zoom to our area of interest. Now let's add the raster. Add, browse and add new. Now you can see that it is almost correctly superimposed. Now we can scale it a little bit using the scale. You can scale it horizontally or vertically or both axes. Or even if you want to scale in one axis, you can click this adjust side of raster and then adjust any side. Or if you want to rotate it using the spinner, you can use this value spinner to rotate exactly. Let's make it 0 and a little bit fixing. Now we can see that the image is perfectly aligned. Let's export this raster. You can click this export raster with world file and then browse. Let's save it as Australia georeferenced and OK. Let's remove it and go to the browser. Let's refresh the folder. Here we can see that the georeferenced file. Let's remove this also. Now we can import this PNG file which is georeferenced. If you go to your folder, then you will see the georeference files. Now let's import it and you can see this is perfectly aligned. Thanks for watching.